500,000 people shared a single demo clip in just 3 days. That is the kind of viral energy usually reserved for movie trailers or celebrity scandals. But this time it was just a voice. A computer-generated voice claiming it can finally bridge the gap between human and machine conversation. We are looking at a company that just saw its valuation triple to $11 billion in a single year. That much money does not move unless people think they are seeing the future. This new expressive mode is not just a small update. It is a fundamental shift in how these systems process our words. They are moving away from reading text like a terms of service agreement. Instead, they are trying to feel the rhythm of a real talk. The technology behind this relies on two major breakthroughs. First, there is a new brain for the voice that looks at the emotional weight of an entire conversation. It does not just look at one sentence in a vacuum. It tries to understand the vibe of the whole interaction. Second, they have overhauled how the machine listens. One of the biggest giveaways of an AI is that awkward pause before it responds. This new system is designed to know exactly when to jump in and when to stay silent. It feels less like a tool and more like a partner. But we have to look at the timing of this launch. It happened less than a week after a massive $500 million funding round. When that much venture capital flows in, you have to wonder if the product is a breakthrough or just a very expensive marketing stunt. The numbers are staggering. We are talking about over $300 million in annual revenue. This tech is already powering systems for massive telecommunications companies and social media giants. It is infrastructure now. It is baked into the apps billions of people use every day. But there is a dark side that no amount of funding can hide. This technology has been used to create deepfake audio of world leaders and celebrities. It has been used for robocalls that sound exactly like a sitting president during an election. Voice actors are fighting back with lawsuits because their very identity is being cloned without their permission. Now we are adding deep emotional intelligence to that mix. The potential for manipulation is growing faster than our ability to regulate it. During my testing, the response times were incredibly fast. We are talking about half a second for the AI to process and react. It works across 70 different languages. That is impressive by any standard. However, there is a major catch. If you have already built a professional voice clone using their old systems, it might not work with this new expressive model. Your custom voice could end up sounding completely different. It is a frustrating hurdle for creators who have already invested time and money. So, is it worth the hype? Technically, yes. This is the most emotionally aware voice system available on the market today. It is surprisingly affordable too. But the company is racing toward an initial public offering while still struggling to stop their tech from being weaponized. That is a massive problem that a simple software patch cannot fix. You have to decide if you want to build on this foundation, or wait for the dust to settle. If you found this breakdown useful, I have included some ways to support these deep dives in the notes. There's a link to the tool if you want to try it out for yourself. I also have a general link you can use for your regular shopping. Using it helps fund these investigations so I can keep telling you what is actually innovative and what is just venture capital theater. I would rather keep this channel independent than fill it with sponsored content from companies I might need to criticize next week. It keeps things honest. Keep asking the hard questions about the tech in your life. I will be back soon to tear apart the next big thing and see if it is actually worth your hard-earned money.